Welcome back to another unboxing video. So today I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. And before I do this, I want to make a little disclaimer. I'm not trying to brag myself any shape or form. I bought this thing with my own money and I kind of splurged on it. And sometimes it's good to get a treat or deserve something sometimes. So let's get started into the video. So I got this from Walmart, and I will, if I could, and I have my safety scissors right here. And sorry if you hear like the wind howling. My window is open and it's raining right now. And in case you're wondering, the pajama bottoms I got from eBay, and the top I got from Shein. This is like Christmas Day. Oh my god, you guys. It is the Holy Grail. It's like Christmas morning. Oh my god. Look at this. It is my new baby. It is a Jet Set Micheal Kors crossbody. It's in the color Daisy Yellow. But this is what it looks like. It is so cute, you guys. It's my new baby. Let me get the paper off so you guys can see it up close. And I like the yellow color. It gives like the summer vibes for and I like that the bag, the crossbody, the strap, you can make it a little longer or shorter. Here's what the bag looks like. It is so cute, you guys. It is so cute. I didn't know Walmart had like Micheal Kors like crossbody. And look at that strap, you guys. Look at this. The front pocket, you could fit like your phone, your car keys. You could fit like whatever in the front pocket. And I'm obsessed with the chain. I'm obsessed. In this compartment, you could fit like whatever you want in the front compartment. This was originally $398, almost $400. Guess how much I got this bag, you guys? Not 400, I'm sorry. I got this bag for like $67. Almost $70 at Walmart. It's such a steal. I am obsessed with this. I got my mother kind of the similar bag for Mother's Day, but I got it from the Micheal Kors outlets for way cheaper. I got this from Walmart. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw it because I wanted this bag so badly. And this is the back pocket. And it's very roomy inside. And how could you not pass it up? You can't pass it up. And I know what you guys are wondering. Did I get a wallet to match this? And yes, I did. Look at the color scheme I did right here. It's a little darker, but this was like $5 something at Walmart or $6 something. How could you not pass it up? It matches it perfectly. This is in the color Daisy Yellow. So I would say I kind of got a good deal. That's like a steal. And I'm obsessed with this. Like, you could wear it. Let me cut this tag off. This is my new obsession, you guys. It's my new Michael Kors baby, and I love the chain. That's my favorite part. You can wear it like this. You can make it long or short with the adjustable strap, and I am obsessed with this. So $67, you guys. But if I could find the link for this bag, I'll link it down in the down bar. And now it's going up for like almost $80 at Walmart. So please like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done that already. For more videos like this, taste test, everything you name it, it's already down in the down bar. See you guys later. Bye guys.